You're watching News 8.
CPA Chris Campbell from RDG and Partners is with us. Chris, thanks for a few minutes.
Thanks for having me.
An important topic here, what to do if you receive a taxing agency notice. First of all, this doesn't sound good. Let's begin by talking about what it looks like and how you can expect to be contacted by either the IRS or New York State in this capacity.
Yeah, that's a great question. Great place to start. So first I'll say IRS sends out millions of notices every year. And when you get it, sometimes it's a surprise. People aren't used to getting this. But what is important to know is that the way you are contacted is the taxing agency will send you a letter via the U.S. Postal Service. They will not reach out to you via email, text message, or social media on their first contact. And so it's important to understand that that's how they will contact you, and now we have to deal with the notice.
What kinds of things would be in a notice?
So oftentimes they're looking at calculation mistakes that they feel what was on the return wasn't proper. A lot of times they're trying to match pieces of information from a third party, maybe a bank, your employer, with items on your return. And they're really just trying to clarify and make sure that your taxes are properly calculated.
So how do we know if a notice is legitimate or perhaps it's a scam?
Yeah, that's a really important question. We know that scammers have become very sophisticated over the years, and they send something that looks like it's from one of the taxing agencies. What the scammers do, however, is they typically are not following the process. And so if you have somebody who reaches out and they demand immediate payment, they request a specific form of payment, or they actually threaten that local law enforcement or immigration will be brought into this. Those are all really red flags that say, this is not how this works. They send a notice, you have a chance to reply. If they're really pressuring you, you should really be concerned.
All right, two things here. So we get a notice and say we see the error of our way, we agree with it, or we get the notice and we don't agree with it. What are our options here?
Right. If you agree, it's quite easy. Typically, there's a place you sign to confirm your agreement. You send your payment. Sometimes they're going to send you money. Very simple. If you disagree, you do have a chance to reply with a response. We recommend it to be a written response. You will likely include additional information with that response to support the position you've taken on the return. To clarify, you can expect at least 30 days to hear back. With the pandemic, the time frame has been lengthened out. It could take up to 60 days, but they will give a reply to your response.
Final question here. This can be overwhelming. Can someone help us with this?
Absolutely. Every taxpayer has the right to have a representative to deal with the taxing agency. Typically, you will have to complete a power of attorney form with that agency, and that will allow them to talk about your personal information, your tax account, to help resolve the issue.
Great. We'll leave it there. Chris, thanks for the information. As always, appreciated.
Thanks, Mark. Happy holidays.
You as well. If you missed any of our conversation, we're sharing it online at rochesterfirst.com.